This motor in Afuna Bokwa, one young guy, Jackai Welo motor. According to him, this car in Afaba Bo Mashim Kobunjim Mashim Njim Mashim Koji Riheni knife for now, Loifeni in Ojele Pure Water. Look at it here. Look at it. If I before one of our brother, Jenny Pure Water. Young one pan, low everything. Just low everything like this. Nah, no be smart thing. Njim mashimo. Oji ebu pure water. Mataya follow. Young one till everything. A brother, Gadoli. Come. Look at it. Young one, everything in the fly by this boy only. Young one, all those things. Bia kan jogo ezo kuna nji machine ke mo ibabu ese CG 250 go bu 250
yeah.
So kan jogo, so this motor now engine machine ki wele where go so even in my grass everything okay, go build all those things Nina with engine machine.
Yeah.
Loy Nina like this, or do like this. Yes, sir?
That's like I'm around on drive test.
On
drive test. So today the first day in I can test I can mad the capacity. So 150 bags of pure water.
Okay, 150 bags of pure water.
I hope you are new boss, man. Obu eri obu of Namaka, obu 10 years.
10 years.
Yes. Because obu car gearbox. So he move with car transmission. He na anya kamoto.
Okay, he na anya kamoto.
He na anya kamoto. Then the machine side abu the auxiliary. So 5 years from the car gearbox and 5 years for the motorcycle engine. So 10 years. So 5 put a high gear and 5 put a normal movement gear.
Nah, no be smart, you know. How about this guy this motor in half now? Young one motor GNA Buhari pure water. Young one motor iPhone now from A to Z. If any iPhone motor, this guy Jaka lower this thing for now. Do you see what this guy build? Nah, be kono borebo. Okay, Ebony State. Mani be no Anambra State.
Yeah, I'm on the local government.
On the local government. Nah, Ebony State.
Yeah.
Mani be no ba.
Yeah, Mane.
Huh?
Mbaneze is.
Okay, kisi. Nah, no be smart, you know. Nah, Chineke goze ndi Igbo. Never this guy lolo. Oji engine machine de ko kuru where yan wa kujaka lo hwani na ifla ba. Lord, this is GNL pure water. Look at. Yan wa hwani na magia. No, this guy's really far magia, everything. Nah, no be smart, you know. Do you see? If you go Chineke gozi ndi Igbo. Chineke nye ndi Igbo talent. Look at it. Yan wa jaka ma pan nina ma everything mataya. Yan wa jaka lo ifeni na ifla ba. Lo all these things with the sons no with engine machine. Ko engine machine we lo ifeni na. Aka ma ga back and me interview because noise there about too much. Aka ma ga back me interview. Chineke gozi ndi Igbo. Did you watch video? Make sure that you share this video. This our brother, in fact, my tire, everything. You know these guys were losing fini now. My blank. Ha! Now not be smart, you know. So they can watch the video. They can watch the video. Please share this video. I will still go to his house and do him interview. Makano is the driver. From A to Z, dio, Moako. My family future milk and millionaires. My steering, no. Then what you got here in a feast here with engine machine or lose tele. He just go and lose engine machine. Well, a low in iPhone. In fact, Chineke goes in Igbo. And then they couldn't need it to help. Now this kind of people now alone couldn't need help. Where this kind of talent? They got the talent this guy well Lord motor like this. Well, engine machine, well, a low motor like this. If I bought money with talent. Open up this guy now. If for the government he gets speak here, but look at what he build. Many people can feel I don't care. If you go, May God bless the Igbos. I come back and interview and take your number. And you can watch video, share this video. This kind of this the mother need to help this guy to promote him. This guy need to promote, only need to help. Yes. Share this video and I will still go to his house and do him more interview.
Tomorrow, mma agabe this young man. Mma agagba ya ajụjụ ọnụ tomorrow. Just make sure that you follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Mma aga ajụ ya ajụjụ. Ife this guy mere adịrị easy. I'm telling you the truth. Ndị Igbo, unu need support this guy. Ife this boy lụrụ adịrị easy. Look at the kind of talent this guy nwere. Look at the kind of talent this guy nwere. Wee lụọ moto a. Mgbe m nụrụ ihe a, I was very, very, very surprised. Nso ka nje duo ka njụọ this guy ajụjụ. Ịmakwa na ma grass a ifuru, ma all this iron niile adị n'alụ moto a, this guy gotosiri all those things. Wele jiri aka wele lụọ ya, design nọ ya, wele ya lụọ, just lụọ ihe niile a from A to Z. I was surprised because engine machine, motorcycle engine ka o luzuru, wepụtazie werezie pan iron, wele kụwa ya, wele design waya, wele lụọ ihe niile a, tima styling akwa engine machine ka o tiri styling. Look at it, look at it. And upper 150 bag of pure water called Duaba safely. In fact, ihe this guy mere, this guy do mma to celebrate, this guy do mma to support, this guy do mma to support him, to help him. Odiri easy. Tomorrow I will go to his house and I will do him another interview. Mma ajụ ajụjụ ono simi ihe niile, how many weeks or months go take it here ilu motor like this. Ego no go spend it to build this car. Odiri easy. Chineke goziri ndị Igbo. I'm telling you the truth. All this guy, onye nke a yitu efe na chatụ led small. Ọ enwa lu motor. All the tires niile flaba. This guy ji aka teacher hancha niile. So we need to celebrate our own. We need to celebrate our own. We need to celebrate our own. If you know anybody can help this guy, that can promote this guy, please, you need to connect him with this guy. This guy need to help. This guy need to help. The kind of talent na-apụtasị n'ala Igbo do too much. I'm telling you the truth. The kind of talent na-apụtasị n'ala Igbo do too much. But the problem bụ government will not help. Government agaghị help. Ọ bụ na government na help, my dear, the kind of things ọ ga na-alụ na Nigeria ga do too much. But other possible, government will not help. Ọ bụ na this guy now ọ na America ka ọ nọ, ma ọ nọ n'Europe, wele engine machine, wele panụ, wele kụọ ihe niile a, lụọ ihe niile a, the white people will call him. They will train him more. They will train him more. They will know that no nwere something no this guy n'ime. O nwere talent this guy nwere o ji wee lụọ ihe niile ọlụlụ. Look at Stalin. Akwa engine machine ma gear. Akwa engine machine ka o jiri ihe niile a. The white people will know that this guy, no one something do this guy n'ime. I'm telling you the truth. To do this kind of thing, how do you say? I cannot. I cannot do it. So mmadụ eme nke a nwere something do onye ahụ, o nwere special gift, talent onye ahụ nwere. But ọ nọ n'Africa ọ ga-anwụ. Nobody will help him and nobody will even support. Mana ọ bụrụ na this guy nọ na white man country now, they will pick him up this place. They will pick him up immediately and sponsor him. Train no more. Or now lose expert. Or now lose professional. Look at it. Neyaba. Yini na ya locha moche ni na ifulaba. Ya nwa locha ihe ni na. Onye nke obia kute bo vulcanizer. Or go choy pump tire. Everybody do supplies. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the young boy here. Onye wada na moto. In fact, I will stop this video here. But because they can watch this video, make sure that you share this video. Look at the young guy. Look at the young guy. Look at it here. The guy is from Ebonyi State, mana Obinoba, Anambra State. Obinoba, Anambra State. Ọ na-agbara onwe ya mbọ wee lụcha ihe niile a na-ebu pure water na-agagharị na-ele pure water. Ọ ga na company o bute pure water na-egelagharị na surprise people pure water na-agba mbọ. Nna, this guy need to support, this guy need to help. Ọ bụ godu na enwere ebe iji akpoje, but this guy need to ịkpọ ya si nna na-ejide. You are trying. Chineke gozie ndị Igbo. I'm telling the truth. God will bless the Igbos, and God will still raising more talent in Igbo land. Let me stop this video here. I will go to his house tomorrow and I will do him interview. Mecha interview. I will still post the video in this YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe so that you will watch the video I will do to this guy tomorrow. And make sure that you watch the video. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagba. Make sure that you share this video. Thank you.